Guys, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. In today's video, we will continue from the locking up profits while trading spikes. Okay, and we will be checking out other aspects of it in order to conclude the whole training on that. Okay, we started this some days ago, and we've been looking at different areas on it so as to know how to go about it. So if you missed the part 1, part 2 and part 3, then you should go back to the channel and watch it. Okay, and we'll continue from there today so that we can see how we can do this successfully even for a very long time. Okay, but before we go fully into that, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. If you are new on this platform, feel free to browse through the channel, watch some of my training videos. Okay, and of course practice and perfect your trading skill first on your demo account before you start trying them out on your real account. This is very important, guys. And if you love my videos, can you give me thumbs up and share with families and friends? If you have any question at all about any of my training videos, or you want to know more about my trading strategies, feel free to contact me. My contact details are displayed on the screen, and I will be dropping them in the description box below this video. If you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away, and do not forget to turn on the notification bell beside it to all notifications. That way you all will be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. So quickly, let's go straight into what we have right away. Like I have explained in my previous video on this particular topic, I said spikes trading involves a lot of skill sets. Okay, you need to know when to trade it, the exact time to trade it, the direction of the market that is best traded for each of the assets, so that you will know when to go into it. And of course, like I have explained, it is best traded in boom when the market is on uptrend. Okay, because the normal trend of boom is downtrend, so it is best traded when the market is on uptrend, while for crash it is best traded when the market is on downtrend. Okay, and of course for boom it usually happen around the support region, while for crash it usually happen around the resistance region. Okay, right here we are on boom, and if you should check it out around here, you can see here is a support region, and you can see it happening around there. You can see spikes happening around there. Here is a support region, so that is one beautiful thing about it. And here is another one. If you should check it out, here is another support region, and you can see spikes happening on these spots. Okay, so these are some of the things you should look out for whenever you are trading this asset, so as to trade successfully without having any issues. Okay, so this is very important. And of course, we've been checking it out on 5-minute time frame, and today we will be looking at it on 15-minute time frame. So you already know the best trend to trade it for each of the assets. You know when it usually occur. So the next thing is for you to know how to lock up your profit, which is very easy to do, because it's not like you are trading the normal trend that the spike can just push the stop loss backward. This time around, once it gets to the stop loss, it's going to close the trade at that particular point with your profits locked up for you in your balance. Okay, so that is how amazing it is. But you just need to know when to go into the market in order to start trading this asset, so as to make some good profit for yourself right there. Okay, and like I always tell you, every pullback can start as a way of opening another order in order for you to make more profit. That is if you have enough trading capital for you to trade it. Okay, so let me quickly show you how you can go about it. This is where the uptrend started from. Okay, it started from this support zone, and I'm going to give it a white color. Okay, that is our entry point. Okay, it is as easy as that. So this is our entry point, and definitely the price action will start from there. Okay, it's going to start from there, and it will keep on moving up and down. it will keep on moving up and down right from there, and this is what I will use as our price action. It started from here, it moves up to this level, it has spiked up to this level already, it came down, went up, came down, went up, came down. Okay, that is how it has been going. Let's say after getting to this level, okay, remember this is 15 minutes time frame, so the distance between here and here is quite alarming. Okay, so all you need to do is just to introduce a stop loss in between, and I'm going to change the color to something red or magenta. Okay, let me use magenta to make it a bit different from the downtrend candle. Okay, so this is going to be our stop loss. You just divide the distance between the current action price and the entry point into 2 and put the stop loss in between. Once you put the stop loss in between, then that is where the stop loss will be. It keeps on going up and down. As it is coming down towards the stop loss, you don't need to adjust the stop loss. Okay, it is only when it is going far away from the stop loss that you need to adjust the stop loss to the middle again. But if it is coming back towards the stop loss, you don't need to adjust it. So you can see it came down towards the stop loss here and it got to the stop loss, which means it's going to close your trade for you immediately, and the profit between the stop loss and your entry point will go straight into your account. Okay, to go straight into your balance. And you can see it came down to this level. You can imagine that it came down to this level, so which means as it's got to this level, you won't be in the market at that particular point. You will have gotten your profit out of the market at that point. But check it out, it went up, back up, came back down to that level, so you can come in again here because the market is still on uptrend, and it went back up and down, up and down. This time around you want it to go up. Okay, it has gone up this time around, so you can now introduce the stop loss again. Remember, the first order we opened had been closed right here when it got to the stop loss, so we opened another order right here again. So it has gone up. You can put this in the middle again. So this is the middle, so we now have more profit apart from the profits we have closed the other time. So this time around it went up, came down, went back up, came down, up and up, came down. Okay, it has really gone up this time around, so you should adjust your stop loss to the middle again. So this is where your stop loss should be, so you are making more profit at this point. Okay, one of the reasons of using this stop loss is for you to be able to milk the market for a very long time. If you feel that okay, you've gotten more than enough for the day, right from here to this level, you think that you've gotten more than enough, you don't need to use the stop loss again. All you just need to do is just to close the whole trade. It's not compulsory it's not compulsory you stay till the end of the trend if you don't want to, most especially once you're on 15-minute time frame. This distance, okay, should be giving you more than enough. Okay, if you should do the calculation, you will notice that it's giving you more than enough. This is 66 candles, so if we should do our calculation, 66 for of us convert it into minutes. Okay, 66 times 15, that is about 990 minutes. Let's say we are getting 40 cents per minute times 0.4, that is giving us $396. That's amazing. Okay, it's quite alarming. Okay, let's even say that is too much. We want to use the smallest lot size, and we are getting times 66, that's 66 candles. Let's say we are getting 20 cents per minute, 20 cents per minute. That will be giving us $198. Okay, it is possible for you to say that you are okay with what you have earned already, and you don't want to keep on checking the chart all over in order for you to adjust the stop loss and use it to trail it to the end of the trend. Okay, and instead of you losing some part of the profit, because as it is narrowing down to the stop loss, you are losing some part of the profit, and once it gets to the stop loss, it will make you lose this profit that you have gotten from where your action price started from before getting to the stop loss. You only have the profit from your stop loss to your entry point, okay? And that is very, not that you are losing a lot of money, but notwithstanding, that is also part of it. If you have the opportunity to close trade once you have taken, gotten more than enough, okay? If you feel that you have gotten more than enough right here, you can just close your trade on this particular spot and leave the rest for the following day, okay? But if you feel that you want to be in the market, you want to enjoy the market right from there till the very end of the trend, then you can still remain in the market and keep on adjusting your stop loss to the middle while you are trading, okay? This time around it got to this peak and it is now coming down. It came down to this level, almost getting to the stop loss, but it didn't get there, went back up again, and this time around it came down and it got to the stop loss. So at this point you will be closing your trade right from here because it has gotten to the stop loss, okay? It will take you out of the market immediately, and the profit between your stop loss and your entry point will be in your balance, okay? And any other thing that happened after that, you are less concerned about that because, okay, check it out, it came down to this level. Of course, you are not in the market again, so it's not going to affect you. It went back up, came back to this level. Of course, you are not in the market again because it's not going to affect you, except if you want to come in again and trade till the end of the trend, okay? Of course, you can always open another order to trade till the end of the trend. So but the first order that we opened was closed by the price action after getting to the stop loss. Then the second order had also been closed also in profit, okay? If you should add the two profit that were locked up together, you would have earned quite a you would have earned some profit at that particular point, okay? And that will be enough for the day, okay? Except if you want to place more order and make more profit at the end of this, okay? And this can even help you to have more confidence in trading because you are ready, you are assured that some part of your profit is locked up for you already. All you just need to do is just to make sure you are increasing the profit margin that you locked up for yourself as the trade is going. That is why you need to keep on adjusting the stop loss in order to increase the profit margin you are locking up for yourself, okay? So these are some of the things that you need to know in order to trade this asset successfully. And if the price action didn't get to the stop loss, you can trade this asset from the beginning to the very end of the trend. Once you get to the end of the trend and you see that the trend is changing, that is around there, and it is yet to get to your stop loss, you can close the trend, the trade at that particular point and trade the next trend, okay? That is how it works, okay? That is how it works. So I want you guys to go back to your chart, have the setup in your chart, take it down to your 15-minute time frame and practice what I have explained in my video. And if you have any question, you can always contact me. My contact details are on the screen and I will be dropping them in the description box below this video. And if you have any results to show me, you can always do that, okay? I'm always available to reply you on some of these issues right here, okay? And okay, I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash. Do not forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell to all notifications so that you can be notified each time I upload a training video like this, okay? I will be stopping right here, but before doing that, do not forget to join me later on in the day for the $500 trading tips for trading boom and crash, okay? There we usually analyze the markets together and I will be giving you all trading tips on what to go for whenever we are trading. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God